Hi, all of you. Welcome to Quant Masters. I'm Himanshu Sharma, and it feels so good to meet you after a long time. So, from today, we will be starting off with interview experience videos to help students who are taking up many company drives to get acclimatized with the pattern, type of question, level of questions, and tips from people who have already cracked it. So, today we welcome Ranjita, who's our student from Quant Masters. Hi, Ranjita.
Hello, sir.
How are
How
you
are
doing?
you? I'm good, sir. How are you?
I'm good, Ranjita. On the outset, we are very proud of you that you have cracked not only Cognizant but also TCS. So, a heartily congratulations to you from our end.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
So, Ranjita, this video, no, we are planning to make it in such a way that any student who's preparing for Cognizant, Gen Z, okay, so this video should be enough for him to, get an idea about what is the level of questions asked, what is the pattern, and what should he focus more on, and what should he not try to focus on. So, we would
Yes,
love
sir.
to hear your experience with respect to Cognizant right from the first round and till the last round.
Sure, sir. Sure. Sir, first I received a mail regarding the aptitude test. It was like 17th and 18th of November, I guess. We can take any day, any time we want. So
Mhm.
I chose 18th, and I took around, it takes around 3 hours to complete the whole test.
One
Sir,
Was this on campus or was it off campus or
so
how?
it was on campus actually. It was told by us from our TPO only.
Okay, okay. So you took
So
it
it
from
was like on
campus.
campus.
But it
Uh,
was happening entire India, right? Gen Z was happening across the.
Entire, I don't know about India, but and Karnataka it was.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So there were like three rounds, matlab three this. First one was aptitude, second one was logical, and the third one was technical, that is coding.
Mm-hmm.
So in first round, quantitative aptitude, and that we had like 24 questions.
Mm-hmm.
It had around 35 minutes. So the
So,
questions included like ratio and proportions, number systems,
mm,
percentage,
mm,
then speed, distance, time, work. Like
mm.
like normal questions were there. It was like moderate questions, not too difficult, not too easy.
What
So
about
and I also
profit and
so
loss? Did you find on profit and loss interest?
yes, sir. Like profit and loss, like all like there were one or two questions from each and every topic, and
On
we also had questions from logarithms also.
okay.
Like I got most of the questions from logarithms. Like most of
So
my
was it
questions were from that
AMCAT
topic.
platform?
Yes, sir. It was the test was on AppCat platform only.
Okay, so AMCAT basically what
Yeah.
they do is the logarithms is one favorite part for them. So every AMCAT paper, no, you will definitely find minimum one or two questions on logarithms for sure.
Yeah, yeah.
Right?
I like my paper was maximum on logarithms only
Yeah,
actually.
yeah. They'll ask basically around 4 to 5 questions on logarithms.
Yeah. So,
Correct.
yes.
So
It was
people
pretty
love.
easy, not too tough and not too easy too.
Okay. So people, one thing to note is that Cognizant, the paper level will not be that easy, nor it will be too tough. It will be mid-range, and logarithms is one chapter from which they will ask maximum number of questions. Right, Ranjita?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So were you able to
Then next
complete?
we had logical reasoning.
Were you able to
In that
complete,
there were 23
Ranjita?
questions and it took around 35 minutes. Yes, sir. I could. In fact, I did it. I completed it early only.
Okay, okay. And what
Yes.
about your friends? Were they able to manage the time and the number of questions?
Yes, sir. Time management was done by everyone. That was pretty easy to manage. But the level of questions for my friends was little in the difficult level compared to me.
You mean to say that
Yeah, they told like
different people get different set of questions?
yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
yes.
okay, okay, okay. Fine.
Because the timing for each and everyone is different, right? So they can take it in any time. So the
Okay.
set of questions will be different for each and everyone.
Or else everybody would discuss and make
Yeah,
the
they would copy, right?
yeah, fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh,
Yes. So next round was logical.
mm,
There were about 23 questions and it had like 35 minutes.
mm,
It was pretty easy. Like I could solve it in like less time only.
okay.
I completed it early. It was
Mm,
pretty easy, like full easy. Then we had like a technical round. In
No, no.
technical round, there were 7 questions, 7 coding.
Logical, what concepts did they ask on? Do you remember?
Sir, seating arrangement, then data interpretation, then some basic English questions also. Like, English questions also were there.
What about blood relations?
Basics, sir. It was pretty easy to crack it.
Blood
Yeah,
relations.
blood relations, there were like only one question from blood relations. Yeah, there was only one question from blood relations. Yeah.
And coding, decoding, clocks,
Then no, we did not have from clocks. Sir. I did not get from clocks, neither calendars.
Okay.
I did not get from clocks and calendars. Other than that, I got.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine. So basically, the paper
Next was a coding ground.
Section was quite simple.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Please continue.
Comparatively, with comparing to quantitative and coding, this logical was pretty easy.
Okay. Okay.
For me, yeah. Then we had a paragraph, this writing also. They have given a paragraph and set of questions. We have to answer them.
Okay.
That was there. And next we had a coding session. There was like 7 questions in that. Each question carries 10 marks. There was only 20 minutes for this. 7 questions, 20 minutes.
Quite less time.
So yeah, I could solve only 3 questions.
Okay. Do you remember what type of questions they had asked? What type?
Sir, it was like, I don't remember exactly.
Was it on automata?
Like normal, like I could do. Like, yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. 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 So I think people who were able to do more than 5 questions were selected for Gen Z next. Who were able to do 3 to 5 were selected for Gen Z.
Gen Z, yes, sir. It was like that.
Fine, fine, fine.
The questions in coding were pretty easy but tricky. So I took more time in solving them. So I could solve only 3.
Okay. Okay. Then after the coding round?
Then after this aptitude round, after some days, I received a mail and I received a list from TPO also saying that I've been shortlisted for the interview. So I prepared for the interview. I don't know why, but I was pretty much nervous for this Cognizant interview than TCS interview. Then I got ready and I was waiting for the interview. Then they joined. He was like not too friendly, not too strict also.
But
His face was pretty scary for me.
But before we continue, Ranjita, before we continue, when you finished the first round, that is on 19th or 18th of November, after how many days you got to know the result?
So pardon me, I couldn't hear.
So after how many days you got the result for the first round?
How many days?
Approx 1 week.
Sir, might be like I don't remember properly. It might have taken like 10 to 15 days.
Okay.
Yeah, might have taken 10 to 15 days. After that, after the interview, I joined and we greeted each other. Then he asked me to introduce myself. I did. I think he did not hear my college name properly. He asked me to repeat my college name and where I've done my internship. I repeated that. After that, he asked me in which language I'm comfortable with. So I said I'm comfortable with C. Then he asked me a question to write a program to know if the given number is even or odd. Then I told him the basic approach that n modulus 2, that approach I told him. So he was like, this is the basic approach.
Before we continue, I would like to know, Ranjita, that which department are you from? I just forgot. Are you from?
I'm from aeronautical engineering.
Aeronautical engineering, okay.
No, sir, I'm from aeronautical engineering.
Okay,
yes.
That is why he was asking, are you comfortable?
I'm not that. Yeah, I'm not that good at C, but like not good in programming, but I could manage. So
Okay.
I told him C. Then he asked me to write a program to know if it's even or odd. I told him the basic approach n modulus 2. Then he told me this is the basic approach everyone does. So tell me some different way. I tried. I fumbled a little. Then he made me comfortable, saying like you can tell me around. So take your own time and tell. Then I told him that number ampersand 1 is equal to 0. Then it will be 1. Else it will be odd. I was like, okay, fine. Then this is the only IT question I got, CS question I got. Then he switched to core questions. He asked me what is Pascal's law. I answered that. Then he asked me what is avionics, like what do you study in avionics subject. We have a subject called avionics. So he asked me what is that, what do you study in that subject. I explained him what we do and all. Then he was convinced by that.
Okay.
Next, he asked me, take any random topic from your stream and explain it to me for 3 minutes.
Okay.
You can take any random topics, he told. Then I took a topic called turbojet engine and I explained it to him for 3 minutes.
Okay.
He was pretty much convinced by that. So then he shifted to managerial questions like why IT. Then are you okay with the night shifts, relocation and all.
Okay.
So I was like, sir, I'm fine and all. I answered them all. Then he asked me, yeah, that's it. That only those managerial questions he asked me.
Okay.
Then he shifted to this what he asked, aptitude questions. He asked me some aptitude questions, like 3 aptitude questions he asked me. One was on, yes.
Okay.
Yes. He asked me one related to boat and streams, one related to age, and one more I don't remember. One more was speed and distance.
Okay.
It was some train problems. Train, boat and streams, and age. Like in my nervousness, I actually couldn't. Like I reached, my approach was correct, but I wasn't getting the right answer.
Okay.
So he helped me with that. He told me your approach is good, but you are not getting the right answer. He helped me with that, and we like got the answer in the end. And he told we'll let you know about the results. All the best. He asked me to leave the interview, and I said bye and I left the interview.
Okay.
It was pretty much.
And you got the results after how many days approx? Do you remember after the interview?
So it took like 15 to 20 days, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah, 15 to 20 days, I guess.
Finally.
Our TPO sent a list saying that he sent a list of students who have been shortlisted, who have been selected for CTS.
What was the designation
So
you got, Ranjita?
Sir, assistant engineer, assistant system engineer.
Okay.
Associate system engineer, I'm sorry.
Okay. And what was the package which was given to Gen Z people?
4
Okay.
4 to 4.5 LPAs.
Okay, fine. So we are very happy, Ranjita.
They have been, yes, they have even given us internship offer also.
Okay.
They are even providing a stipend for that.
Oh, wow. So you perform well in the internship and then only you get into the company, is it? Something like that?
Yes, sir. It's based on our performance in the internship. They'll provide us the job later.
Okay. So how is it going? Have you started with the internship?
Sir, I've not yet started internship. I've given the probable dates was March 1. While filling form, I told them I would like to start on March 1. Not yet received the any mail from them.
Okay. So
maybe soon.
So all the best with your internship, Ranjita.
Sure.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I would like to thank Quant Masters as well. So I was zero in aptitude. With the help of Quant Masters, I am actually able to crack some companies. That was all because of you.
No, actually, we were quite happy that,
Am I
first
audible?
once you got selected in TCS, we were happy. And then again, you cracked Cognizant. We were like very happy that, you are cracking one company after the other.
Yes, sir.
We were very happy for you. So how did you get to know about
I
Quant
I
Masters?
had zero confidence.
How did you get to know? How did you join us?
Sir, actually, one fine day, I was just practicing the whole day.
Uh,
But at the end of the day, I learned nothing. Like I was simply practicing. I learned nothing at the end of. I started crying badly. Then my sister suggested me that like I'll suggest you a app. Go through it.
uh,
You'll find it easy. It's not that tough. You'll find it easy. You'll have some tricks. You have to follow that and all.
uh,
Then you was actually a mentor in her college. So she introduced me to your app. Then I subscribed and all. Then the first video I saw was average video. That
uh,
moment it changed the whole concept of aptitude in my mind. Like it was
okay.
pretty easy. I don't know why I took it like so hard and all. It was so
Okay.
easy, sir.
Okay.
Your tricks, the way you approach,
Uh,
fine, absolutely amazing.
Superb, superb. So we would really like you to crack more and more companies in the coming sands of time,
Yes, sir.
Ranjita. More product-based companies,
Sure, sir.
and even competitive exams if possible. So thank you very much for your time, for
Yes, sir.
sharing your knowledge. It will
Thank
definitely
you,
help a
sir.
lot of students who are watching this video, and they will also be performing well with your knowledge and information which you have provided. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Thank
thank you,
you.
Ranjita. Thank you so much for your time. We wish you all the best. May the best happen to you, Ranjita.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. So anything that you would like to tell the people who are preparing for Cognizant, any
Sir,
last
one
piece of advice?
Sir, we should be ready with all the basic topics like in the aptitude topics like ratio and proportion, logarithms,
Mm,
number system,
mm,
um, everything like trains, boats,
mm.
everything. Basic concept we should be knowing so that we can do any number of questions or any level of difficulty we can do.
Okay.
So we should be ready with everything.
So Quant Masters training program, was it sufficient enough for you to crack the companies,
Sure,
TCS?
it was more than enough. More
Okay.
than enough.
So
It
okay.
was it was the best decision I made in quarantine in this lockdown, I guess.
Okay. Okay. So glad to hear. We are also making a lot of changes right now, Ranjita, like for non-IT students, that's people like you who are not good at programming. So we are having a separate course for them. It's a 20, 25 hours course and then 50 hours of course for them, again, with respect to concept building, and then 30 hours of course for them
Okay.
with respect to company-specific coding programs.
Okay.
So all that is lined up for the next batch, upcoming batch.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So thank you, Ranjita, again for
Okay.
taking out time from your busy schedule, from your college hours. Okay. And all the best.
Yeah.
Perform
Yes,
well
sir.
in the internship,
Thank you.
get selected, and keep working hard.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So,
Thank you, sir.
yeah. So this was
Yes.
Ranjita, our student from Con Masters, who has not cracked one but has cracked two companies. And there are many more students whose interview experiences we will be uploading from today. So I hope this video was informative and this will surely help you if you're preparing for Cognizant Gen Z. Okay. So with this, we wish you all the best. Take good care of yourselves. Keep smiling, people. Bye bye.